So I again have the TCFD report for the year 2024 that's published by Microsoft. And in this video, we will be covering the climate related opportunities mapper that CarbonOps has to offer. So if you again jump directly to the index, there you go. You could see that Microsoft has disclosed on climate related opportunities as well as managing those climate related opportunities. So that forms like the main third segment of an entire TCFD report for an organization that's even as big as Microsoft. So if I search for climate related opportunities or maybe just opportunities uh, in the search, I get a couple of results. So you could see that it has disclosed on climate related risk and opportunities over here. So opportunities that are related to resource efficiency, market related opportunities, and consumer related opportunities, something of that sort, product related opportunities. And similarly, it has also disclosed on um, opportunities in the value chain, in the upstream, downstream, and its own activities that it covers, and how does it manage those opportunities, even some water related opportunities, some operational water related opportunities it also discloses on, and how it manages those opportunities. So I think this is the disclosure part that we are also trying to automate with the climate related opportunities mapper as part of the TCFT tooling in the CarbonOps environment. So with this video, we'll be covering climate opportunities under the TCFD section in CarbonOps. So that's going to form video number 5 for the entire tutorial series. So right over here, I'm going to select my client, and according to the implementation guidance of TCFD, the organization needs to report on the opportunities that it identifies in the following segments like resource efficiency, markets, resilience, energy source, and products and services. So I'll generate first of all some climate risk opportunities under the resource efficiency section. So I click on the generate button, and just with the help of this button, it's going to generate those entire mappings for me by analyzing using document intelligence, the entire corpus of documents that it has as grounding knowledge. So there you go. You get columns like opportunity, financial impacts, period, and value chain position. So if you go through, let's take the first row. So an opportunity, it says implement chip level liquid cooling systems with closed loop water recycling in all new and existing Microsoft data centers. Then there's financial impacts like lower operation costs due to reduced water and energy usage, decreased risk of regulatory penalties, and whether it's a short term, medium term, or a long term climate opportunity, the reasoning behind it, and where does it sit in the value chain position. So this is something that could be implemented by Microsoft itself as part of its own activities, and then the reasoning for the same. So if you click on view reasoning, it's going to give you the reasonings why it think it's a short, medium, and long term climate opportunity, and similarly for the value chain position. And likewise, you'll be able to generate the opportunities and all the values of those columns for markets, resilience, energy source, and products and services. And last but not the least, because we want to remain a very transparent and audit oriented tool, we would like everything to be mapped back to the citations, the documents that we uploaded, so that we aren't just doing storytelling, and there's no regulatory concern in the reports that will be published in the future for all our organizations. So there goes those citations, so top 10 chunks, and you could trace them back to the documents that you uploaded, thus bringing about a very auditable platform in action. That's pretty much it. That's all I had to show for the TCFD Climate Opportunities Generator. In the next set of videos, we'll be covering the BRSR segment, which is the Indian Regulatory Framework.